4 or 5 in my motherfucking pocket, nigga, stop it. Okay, Muggs. Let me talk my shit. Whoa, yeah. Lord grew up watching vets. My music is my flex. My crew is yelling when the woo was shopping next. Good options on my desk. Main lobster getting blessed. Yes. Dick so good, gotta shopping for a dress. Love for the people, but I'm watching the snakes. And I keep a long desert and a sock in the safe. How you gon' watch for evil when you washing your face? Or run your mouth on the leaders when you not in the race? 110 or 95, friends on the grimy side. Listening to Luther reminiscing when my mama died. Pouring out shots for the war on our block. I've been going extra hard since the touring got stopped. Flea walked in the session, quick blacked out the crusher. All my verses stand out like a black cop in Russia, motherfucker. All my verses stand out like a back in the jets where we clap for respect. Take a peek off the roof before you trap in the steps. Award winners, these niggas acting to death. Full of fashion and fresh, blowing back with some stress. You know my motherfucking pop.